All right, so what we want to do now is we want to save new classifieds to our Firebase. And to do that, we'll use the add method again, the $add method. And the great thing about this is that it's really a very simple change. We don't actually have to change too much code to make this work. So let's head back over here to Sublime, and you'll remember that we've got this new classifieds controller that when a classified is saved, we emit this new classified event, and that is caught in our controller, our main controller over here with $on. And so it's saying right now when we have a new classified, we want to bump the ID up by 1, and then we want to push it onto that array that we had set up. So now all we really need to do is change these two lines up to work with Firebase. And it's actually very simple. We don't need an ID anymore because Firebase is providing its own ID. So all we've got to do is delete that, and we'll say VM classifieds add our classified. So now this classified is coming in because it's emitted from our new classifieds controller, and it is going to be saved into our Firebase with this $add method. All right, so let's see if this works out. Let's save this and come back over and refresh. And now let's try adding in a new classified. So we'll say maybe, let's make a real one out of this. Let's say we're selling maybe an iPhone, and the price is $10,000, and we'll say very good. And then let's find a link for this image just to make sure this all works. Let's maybe look for an iPhone, and we'll go to images, and doesn't matter which one. Let's just grab this guy here. All right, let's copy that link. And back over here, we'll paste it in. And let's try saving. So we'll say save, we get classified saved. If we come back down, there is our new classified. And now if we look into our dashboard, we'll see we've got an extra item here, and this is our new classified. So let's see if we still get this coming through when we refresh. The big change here now, of course, is that we still get our classified once we refresh. And the other cool thing, of course, is that if another user were using this application, we would see changes that they make right away too, because Firebase is a real-time data store. So let's see that at play. Let's maybe just copy this. We'll come over here and we'll grab this, and let's just make this smaller, and let's go back over here. We'll grab this again, and let's just put in kind of a dummy classified. We'll say, hey, and save that. And now what you see is right away that new classified shows up right there. The next thing we'll do, which is almost as easy but will take a little bit more work, is editing and deleting our classifieds.